The Adams Rite UltraLine 7400 series electric strike is designed for use with Adams Rite deadlatches or cylindrical locksets and releases electrically with up to 25 pounds of door preload. The strike comes from the factory fail secure, but offers a field selectable fail-safe option. First, using a Phillips screwdriver, we'll loosen the screw on the back of the strike. Carefully shift the screw to the left, then tighten it down. Next, loosen the screw located on the back edge of the strike. Instead of sliding the screw, you should shift the metal plate to the right, which will position the screw on the left side. Go ahead and tighten that screw. Now, let's verify that the strike is in fail-safe operation. I can release the strike keeper without any power being applied.